Yeah, I like to. Yeah, you about to grab my whole eyebrow up. What's up, y'all? So we're back with another hair tutorial review. So a company by the name of Vanlov. Y'all can see that it's so bright. Vanlov sent me over a wig to review for you guys, and I thought it would be cute to do another video where Yana styled my wig. We've done this before. We did one other video like this before. If y'all want to check it out, I'll leave it up here.
But of course I have improved a lot.
Yeah, okay, so she say. But they sent me over, let's see what they sent me. What they send you, girl? What they send you? So they sent me over water curly human hair, Indian. So it's Indian water curly human hair, 18 inches. Here's the packaging right here. It's this little cute little slide out packaging here. And it comes, uh-oh, hold on. Uh-oh, the net's getting caught on. I got some eyelashes. You gonna use these? I'm not gonna use them. A weaving cap. So here's the wig right here. Straight out of the packaging. Like I said, it's 18 inches. Yeah, it is really soft.
You said Indian?
Yeah, Indian.
I think Indian was like very different.
Yeah, it's so many different ones. It's like Malaysian, Indian. Then they got all these other names. Like I don't even be knowing. Yeah, Peruvian.
Yeah, Peruvian.
Yeah, but this Indian is really soft. I don't know if this is pre-plucked. Let me see if the company is saying it's pre-plucked. I don't want to give y'all no wrong information. So you can get it in Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, or Indian. For all of y'all who like the hair down y'all back.
I cut this one though.
Y'all over here sporting 26 inches.
I cut it.
Like 26 inches, I can't.
That's not even that long.
Okay, so the highest they got is the 24 inch. These wigs do last a long time. I mean, years. You just wash them, condition it. Yeah, you gotta take care of it just like it's your hair. Let's get started, y'all. Let's get started. So yeah, it's the, you know, your basic wig. It got four combs. Got the lace. 4 combs, the lace, and the adjustable straps in the back. So let me adjust my straps. I always put it on the 2 that's right under the comb. That seems to fit my head perfectly. So you gonna put it on, or you want me to put it on? Or do you want me to cut the lace first, or what?
No, I'll cut the lace. I'll cut the lace first. How many scissors are
okay.
But let me go on this side now. Because everything is on this side.
Oh, yeah. All her, y'all should see all the little stuff she got.
Oh, yeah, put it on your head. Okay, yeah. Just put it on your head because it'll be easier to cut.
Okay.
For me. So we gonna put it on her head. Well, she gonna put it. You put your wigs on. I
put my head just like this. Like,
I don't. I put mine on like this.
Oh.
Yeah, because everybody else be doing it like that too on YouTube. Oh, that's a weird way to do it.
Yeah, I do it like this and then just stretch it over. Hook the combs in the back. Well, comb in the back. Flip it. And then kind of adjust these combs. I do use the combs. A lot of YouTubers don't like to use the combs, but I like to use the combs for that security, that extra security. I don't have it like pull it on my hair real hard. I just stick the combs in just lightly because it will start snatching edges. All right. And you don't want that.
I either use a clip to like push like all the hair, baby hairs back. Yeah. Why are you putting it like that? You don't put it down.
Oh, okay, well go ahead.
I just like clip that side so we
get this little baby hair.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. You know what I do? Like people usually start in the middle, but
let's zoom in here. Okay.
Okay. You just cut across.
Yep. Cut is close. Well, some people like to leave a little lace.
I don't.
Yeah, I like to. Yeah, you about to grab my whole eyebrow off. Yeah, I like to. She about to cut a whole eyebrow off. Yeah, some people like to leave a little bit of lace, just a little bit, so they can blend it in with their forehead, like when they use concealer and stuff. I never use concealer on my, you know, like all up in here. I only use concealer for my parts. So I just cut my lace all the way off. Wait, is this? Wait, let me pull that, because we want that little baby hair. We want that baby hair.
This is so like,
it's like, weird doing it on somebody else.
Yeah, because I can do it on myself fast. Like,
yeah.
I just do it. Like, this is weird. Like, I don't like cut, I just like use the scissors and glide it up against.
Okay.
I gotta cut some more of this off. There's too much over here on this side. I don't even need no glue for this.
I know. That's all I was just about to say. This is real snug. Yeah. She was just saying, if y'all didn't hear her, because she be talking low. I don't know why you be talking low. But she was just like, you don't even need no glue. But I was just saying, it's really snug. And y'all see where I put the clips at.
Really or just like a little tiny bit.
Well, no, I don't want glue anyway, because I don't plan on wearing this for a long time. I always do my middle part.
This comb broke, but I still use the rat tail part.
Oh, yeah.
It broke. Weird doing it on other people. Middle part.
You gonna have to pluck. Does it look like it?
I don't know.
I usually don't. I just be, I don't know, y'all. I usually don't be doing all that. I usually just throw some concealer in there and call it a day.
Like, I don't like it. Look like your part right here, but not right here.
Yeah, that's because the cap, I don't think the cap is that far down. Yeah, that's not the cap. That's my skin. Yeah, that's me. The cap is back here. So I'm probably...
Well, the cap was blending in right there.
Yeah. So, you do need to be plucked, but it's all right.
I got some tweezers.
I don't feel like tweezing it.
I'll tweeze it.
Do your thing. Do I need to hold it like this?
No.
Oh.
No. So... Okay, so when I tweeze the part, all I do is just pick out the hairs that don't need to be there. Some people be doing that junk so fast, bro.
And some of them be doing it with their hand.
Yeah, I tried that once. I was like, nah, that junk not working, because you have to really yank that junk out, and you don't want to yank like too much.
Yeah, because you might tear the lace.
Yeah, so I was like, I'm chill. Junk out for real.
Thumbs up the video if Yana teaching y'all something.
Right, because y'all be asking me.
If she teaching you a little something, I mean, y'all know we ain't no professionals over here, but you know, a little something.
Just do it good enough.
Right.
For it to look right. Because I ain't no like professional, but I'm learning. She about to cut the baby hairs. Because they always come too long on the wig. Way too long. Yeah. This one ain't that long compared to like...
Oh yeah, no, I've seen longer.
Stupid long. I guess they just want you to like...
Well, yeah, style it yourself. I hope nobody... Have you seen anybody wearing the baby hairs that long?
No.
You know some people will.
If they do, they probably like curl them up. They probably make them look nice. Like, you know what I'm talking about?
Oh.
Like curl them up. So this is how I always style my baby hairs.
Gel and a toothbrush. Your gel of choice.
Cause that's what this. Like, I don't like this gel because it's not clear. I don't know. I always do like a middle.
Yeah, go across the part.
Yeah.
Cause I used to like do
like
baby hair, like divide, like baby hair is this way, baby hair that. But that looks dumb.
Stupid.
Yeah, it started to look dumb. This way is so much better, in our opinion.
Yeah.
You have to say that because people be taking stuff. It seems like nowadays you have to say, in my opinion, after everything you say. Like, sis, we're stating our opinion. That's it. We didn't say it was a fact. Yeah, because I hate, you see how it be like always a hump when you part it?
I either spray it down, use I either spray it down, use a curler on and a flat on to lay it down, or I either use what's it called, hairspray. It's got some water in this spray bottle. We had a spray bottle for I need a new one.
Show y'all the curl pattern up close.
This is, we put water on it.
Yeah, just put water, that's it. So this is what it looks like. Let me zoom out so y'all can see how.
It's like a loose wave.
Yeah, loose wave, but it's very soft. Oh my goodness, and like the water made it just feel like butter. Really nice. 18 inches.
Comes right here.
Bra strap lives to me. I'm 5'2". I'm pretty short. Okay, y'all can see that the parting is good.
We didn't put no
concealer on it there.
or powder in it.
Let's see.
I do suggest to pluck.
Yeah.
The front, because they'll look way better. Pluck the front.
I think I like it back. Like, I like it back. You know what I'm saying? I don't like hair like this. I don't know. It just don't fit my face. My face too fat or something. But I like it. So you got to do the baby hairs over again because some of this is going to go back. I just put some of this back like this.
You need a rubber band or something.
Yeah, I need a rubber band. I'll just put some up. So I'm going to try to get rid of this part a little bit. Okay, I'm going to just put this in. Dang, that's too big.
Well,
That's too much, ain't it? I don't know. She just gave me this dumb big old thing, y'all. But y'all get the point. So yeah, I like it better like this, like out of my face. Alright y'all, I was going to get a rubber band, but I kind of like this band here, this hair band, because it kind of makes the ponytail kind of tall. Y'all know what I'm saying? It's kind of tall. So. Alright, yeah, that's what I like. I like this better than it all coming down in my face. No shedding, nope, no shedding so far. If you do, I mean, well, actually, I was gonna say 1 or 2 strands, but
if we do, it's probably because I plucked the part, so you know.
Oh yeah,
It's probably little hairs.
Other than, oh, there we go. We got 1 strand. Whoop-de-doo. 1 strand, yeah, it's normal. Wig and hair is gonna shed. So if y'all interested in this hair, I will leave the link down below. I think I got a coupon code for y'all. Hold on. So yeah, I do got a coupon code for you guys, and it will be down in the description box below with all the other information. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you think y'all did a good job, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I don't know what y'all comment anything. I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.